Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a very interesting topic, and that is because today we're going to be talking about which drone is going to be releasing first. Is it going to be the DJI Mini 3 or will it be the DJI Air 3? In today's video, this is going to be exactly what we're going to be discussing. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here and to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Inspire 3, the Mini 3, or the Phantom 5, you already know this is the place to come for all the latest updates and news. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're watching today's video and not subscribed yet, well, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. We're less than 1,000 subscribers away from actually reaching that goal. So without out of the way, let's just go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be quite interesting. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking me recently, what will be releasing first? Will it be the Mini 3 or will it be the Air 3? And that is because we have just entered Air drone release time schedule, and that is because most air drones starting from the Air 2 to the Air 2s have been launched in the springtime, most particularly in the month of April, and we're now in April, guys. So, and it has also been just a year since the release of the Air 2s, and also the life cycle of the Air 2 was 1 year, if you don't even remember. So there are a lot of questions going on whether or not an Air 3 is possible, and will it actually come before the Mini 3. So let's talk about the Mini 3, what's going on, what do we know, and what's the current release schedule for the Mini 3. Now remember guys, every mini drone, for the exception of the Mini SC, has been released in October or November, so closer towards the holidays. Now the Mini 3 will be an exception to that, and remember guys, the Mini 2 is a little bit over a year and a half old, so it is definitely in time for a refresh. Now we have had a couple leaks here and there, particularly that box image that we saw, in addition to the shell that was also leaked in the frame. Now we do have a current release date for the Mini 3 according to our good friend Steel Storm. Now he's a very reliable source and he's saying April of this year. Now we're right now in April. Remember, this is not an official release that 100% confirmed by DJI, but it is subject to change. Now it is very accurate. Now the question is, will it actually happen in April? Because we're already in April and the amount of leaks that we have been seeing are really not that big. Now, will we see the Air 3? Because also this April the 15th marks the anniversary of the Air 2s release. So I think we're definitely going to be seeing an Air 3 this year. I'm not sure if it's going to be happening in April. I think it's probably going to be happening towards the end of the year. So if you ask me, and according to everything that we know so far, I definitely believe that the Mini 3 is going to be releasing first, even though we have now entered the month that DJI likes to release their air drone. So I think this time DJI is going to be doing things a bit different, and hopefully it works out for them. And I think it's going to be good because the drone that needs to get refreshed right now, and it is most important to have a brand new version, I think it's definitely the Mini 2 needs to get refreshed. I mean, it needs to happen. So guys, I definitely think the Mini 3 will be releasing first. Now let us know down in the comment section down below, what are your thoughts? What do you think is going to be releasing first? Do you think it's going to be the Mini 3 or the Air 3, or maybe something else that we don't know about? So guys, that has been today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion signing out.